Hello, good afternoon, students. I am R.K. Singh. Today, we are going to begin with your first paper, first unit, and first poet. Your first paper is English Poetry and Drama, and the first poet is Thomas Gray. The first poem is an elegy written in a country churchyard. Thomas Gray, you can see on the screen, was born in 1716 and died in 1771. Thomas Gray occupies a very important place in the history of English literature because Thomas Gray was a precursor of the English Romantic movement. Thomas Gray and his contemporary William Collins are the two leading poets of the pre-Romantic age. As you know, the pre-Romantic age existed between 1745 and 1798. This is the period for the pre-Romantic age. The poetry of the pre-Romantic age is the blend, is the mixture of the neoclassical age and the Romantic age. So the poetry of Thomas Gray possesses the characteristics of the neoclassical poetry and the characteristics of the English Romantic poetry. As you know, the Romantic age stands for democracy, stands for the love of mankind. It represents the ideals of the French Revolution. It stands for common human beings. All these qualities can be found in Thomas Gray's famous poem, An Elegy Written in a Country Churchyard. So, if you look at the title of the poem, it is an elegy. Elegy means, elegy is a form of poetry. Just as a sonnet is a form of poetry, ode is a form of poetry, similarly, elegy is also a form of poetry. Elegy is a song of death. मृत्यु गीत है ये. It is a song of lamentation. मातम का गीत है ये. It is a song of mourning. An elegy is a tribute, is a homage to someone loved and lost. I repeat the famous line again. An elegy is a tribute or a homage, श्रद्धांजलि है ये, to someone loved, जिससे हमने प्यार किया था, but lost, जिसको हमने खो दिया. Elegies are written in honor of someone, but this elegy is a peculiar type of elegy. It has not been composed to mourn a particular person's or friends or relatives' death. It is written to establish the honor, the dignity of common human beings. And love for common human beings is a democratic feature, is a democratic quality. Moreover, I would like to draw your attention to the phrase country churchyard. Here country, dear students, mind it, country doesn't mean nation. Country means rural background. Country means dehat. And it is written in the churchyard. So elegies were written but not in the country churchyard, not in the village churchyard. Elegies were written for kings, for great persons, but now the time is changing. Mankind is moving from monarchy to democracy, from upper class to lower class. So Thomas Gray is a person to realize that honor must be paid to the common human beings. So an elegy written in a country churchyard is a romantic poem in its title, in its very title, because it is not written in the honor of any king, it is not written in the honor of any warrior, it is not written in the honor of any scholar, but it has been written in the honor of common human beings, unknown human beings who spent their life in their villages and they are heard no more. So Thomas Gray is a lover of common human beings in this poem, and this poem has been composed in the country churchyard. I would like to also draw your attention to a very simple thing. The spelling of written, it is not with single T, it is with double T, WRITTEN. So you must be very clear about the meaning of elegy. You may note down, an elegy is a form of poetry, just like ode and sonnet. An elegy is a song of death. It is a tribute to someone loved and lost. It is a homage to someone loved and lost. It is a song of lamentation. It is a song of mourning. So you must be quite clear about two things about the title of the poem. It is an elegy, and it has been composed in a country churchyard, not in a city churchyard, but country churchyard. And as you know, love for rural background, love for common human beings, love for the toilers of the land. टॉयलर्स जानते हो, जो खेती में परिश्रम से खाते हैं. लव फॉर द टॉयलर्स ऑफ द लैंड, all these qualities, love for nature, love for simple life, all these qualities are the qualities of romantic poetry. On the other hand, an elegy written in a country churchyard is not a pure romantic poem. It has the qualities of the neoclassical poetry also. The diction, not the word diction. Diction means the selection and order of words, shabd chain, the language of poem. That is diction. The diction of the poem is of neoclassical character. Thomas Gray has selected every word and every phrase very carefully, and there is personification. So when I teach you the poem, I'll tell you which qualities are of the romantic poetry and which qualities are of the neoclassical poetry. An elegy written in a country churchyard is one of the best 5 poems of English poetry. Yes, remember it, that Thomas Gray's poem, An Elegy Written in a Country Churchyard, is not a common poem. This poem has a very high place in English poetry. It is supposed to be one of the best 5 poems of English poetry. The poem makes you wiser. The poem makes you familiar with some universal truths. So, before starting this poem, I have just introduced you to the poet Thomas Gray and the poem An Elegy Written in a Country Churchyard. And I hope tomorrow, when we will start the poem, I will give you the text on the WhatsApp group. So get the print of the poem, or have the poem in your hands in any way, so that, because the poem is to be taught, the poem is to be explained from word to word, from line to line. Unless or until you are with the text of the poem, what can I do? Therefore, I request you that either buy a textbook or I'll upload the poem on your WhatsApp group. Get it from there. So till then, goodbye. Okay.